Have you ever failed the security check because the bottle of lotion is over 100 ml? Have you missed it because you have to carry too many bottles and cans? Do you feel tired physically and mentally because of heavy luggage? The EBI research and development team came to the rescue with the exclusive designs. Come and see what amazing the bottles are. Hello everyone, this is Wendy from EBI China. Today, I will introduce you guys about our exclusive two-in-one Aromatherapy inhaler and roll-on bottles. The material of this product is plastic cap and aluminum alloy. There is 3 parts. This is our plastic cap, then this is our aluminum inhaler, and this inhaler capacity is 2.5 ml. This is our roll-on bottle. Our roll-on bottle is 2.8 ml. The wholesale product size is 18 and 84 ml. Next, I will introduce you how this inhaler works. First, we need to pull off this plastic cap. Then you can see our inhaler bottle, and then we can screw it. There is a carton inside. We can use a dropper to drop some liquid with it. Then we can screw it again. Now I can smell the fragrance. Now following, I will introduce the roll-on bottle. Firstly, we need to pull out the door. As you can see, there is space for the perfume fill, and we need to use the drop again. We need to drop some liquid inside. Then we need to press this button. Then we can roll it on our hands or your body anywhere. 1 bottle for 2 uses. The one bottle at the bottom of the roll-on bottle, and then the inhaler bottle. With mini size, easy to carry, and our construction is 100% leak-proof. It's easy to handle. When you are traveling for business or pleasure, you can leave a fragrance anywhere, anytime. By the way, we also have 100% of aluminum material. The caps are made of aluminum too. Thanks for watching.